Crawford County reported its first COVID-19 death in 22 days today and 90th since the pandemic began. While the case numbers are still lower than the peak of late July, they are on the rise. The hope is that a vaccine will turn things around. WSAV News 3's Andrew Davis has that story tonight from our Lowcountry newsroom.
Well, you will be able to get a vaccine and it will be free. That's the word from DHEC officials today, but there's still no exact timetable as everyone from the drug companies to the FDA to state officials are promising to make sure it's safe before any needle hits skin.
This vaccine is going through all the same steps any vaccine would, and that's for the protection of the American public.
DHEC officials say while we are close to a vaccine being approved, there are still several steps and potentially months before it's ready.
Phase 1, 2, and 3 human studies, a lot of efficacy and safety data to be reviewed. That process, FDA estimates, will take at least 2 weeks. And if there are any questions, of course, those questions will need to be addressed, and that may delay it further.
We don't know how many doses South Carolina will get, but the first vaccinations will be given to medical and nursing home workers and the people with serious health conditions battling this virus.
Going through all the same steps any vaccine would, and that's for the protection of the American public. How good is a vaccine? How efficacious is a vaccine in the elderly, for example? How safe is it in people who have other medical conditions? That's the sort of data that will come under review by the FDA.
Both vaccines are considered 95% effective in testing, but there are limitations on how long and at what temperature each vaccine needs to be stored. Also, whether it be mandatory for school districts and students is still up for debate. The one thing officials are clear on, no one should let their guard down now.
There's no way that enough doses of vaccine will be available the Thanksgiving and Christmas holidays. So our recommendations for the use of masks, physical distancing, avoiding gatherings, this is including gatherings in the home, we still reinforce that message very, very strong.
Now, Beaufort Memorial Hospital has said it is one of the 175 organizations in the state applying to distribute the vaccines. I did ask Coastal Carolina and Hilton Head hospitals who've not responded yet about that situation. DHEC officials say about 90% of the entire population would have to be covered by vaccines before we can resume what they call normal activities, which could be getting rid of masks and no more social distancing. Andrew Davis, WSAV News 3, on your side.